plus 9. A little tricky time warp there. All right, so then the next thing we do is now we have it in the form that looks like what we have done before over here. So what do we do next?
Radical.
Radical. We do something radical.
Radical boy.
So we're going to take the square root of both sides. Anytime you take the square root of both sides, don't forget to put the plus or minus on the right. So the square root undoes the x squared over here. We have x plus 3 equals, and can I simplify this?
No.
Nope. So plus or minus radical 13. Move the 3 to the other side.
Negative.
And we have negative 3 plus or minus radical 13. Please, anytime you have a plus or minus, make whatever it is that has the plus or minus be the end of it to the right. So in this case, don't do plus or minus 13 minus 3 because that's kind of confusing. The minus 3, it's definitely a minus 3. Put that, everything that's for sure and not changing, put that in front of the plus or minus. And so then here would be our answer to this example. Okay. Another example. What happens here? This is what's different about this one than this one.
Oh, we'll have to.
Oh, it's out of order?
We'll have to
It's just
change.
not in order.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not in order. What are we going to do? We just put it in order. Okay. So we'll put the x squared first, and then the 2x, and pick up our steps here. Move the number to the right side. Take the coefficient of the x. Okay, I'm going to get some. What do I need? I'm going to try to be consistent with colors. I need black, I need blue, I need red, and green.
Oh, nutcase. Hey, we can skip art. It's good.
Yeah.
Art is hard.
Okay, well for me, it's okay, so we're in a hurry. Yeah.
We could just finish this one.
Actually, the rest of you go ahead and pack it up. I will finish recording this and then get to the recording.
Okay.
This is basically the status. These are just 2 more examples.
Okay.
And we'll have to grade the lesson tomorrow.
We already graded it.
Oh, that's right, we did. I knew that. Alright, so we got plus 2, and we are going
Oh, we
to
didn't grade it.
do that. And so we have positive 1, which we're squaring, which gives us a 1. So 1 is what we add to both sides. And then we have, this becomes x plus 1. 6 square root of both sides plus or minus, and we have x move the 1 to the other side, and we can't simplify the radical 6. There's that one. And same deal here, we've got the x squared to move the 5x to the other side. We'll leave that number on the right, and take the coefficient here. Ooh, it's negative. How exciting. So I've got 2 squared, so we have negative 5 over 2 is just negative 5 over 2. Can't reduce that. Squared is 25 over 4. Oh no, it's a fraction. Well, rules don't change. Still do the same thing. This becomes x. Still, it's the red number in here inside parentheses. Squared equals. Negative 5 is going to be negative 20 fourths plus 25 fourths is going to give us 5 fourths. Same steps, square root of both sides. And here we have x, move the 5 over 2 to the other side, where it becomes positive, plus or minus. Let's simplify this. We've got radical 5 over the square root of 4, but the square root of 4 is 2. So we need to do it like this. And there we go. Even though these 2 things have this, the same base, anytime you have a plus or minus, please keep those terms separate. Do not combine them in one term. And that is completing the square. Schmack.